Hi everybody, this is Henrik. Today I'm at Oldbury. I'm gonna do some carpet cleaning. Had to leave the van here. As you can see, weather is not the best one, but jobs still need to be done. Had to leave the note on the van to make sure I'm not going to get a ticket, because I'm just working next door on the 45. So hopefully they're gonna knock me before they're gonna give me a ticket. So chemicals already there and the rinsing. Machine is getting hot. Let's check what we got to do today. Well, one of the favorite carpets for the carpet clean, obviously, the dirty carpet. So I spoke with the customer. Apparently there was a rag over top of the stain and it just went through it to the carpet through the rag. So I don't think it's a dirt. I'm gonna investigate in a second. Other bigger issue. Apparently it's a juice, so I'm gonna try the Redex from the Brochem on it. I'll give it a try how it is. Generally, I think the carpet been well maintained, we'll hoover it. I did ask once a week, twice a week, because the customer had dogs. So been hoover it once a week, which is good, because if you don't hoover at least once, twice a week, you damage the fibers. You're just scratching them. So when you damage the fibers, to be honest, there's nothing could be done. But I think this carpet, even when it's quite old, it's gonna come out very nicely. As you can see, the furniture is out. Make my life much easier. It's another end of tenancy cleaning. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be great results. All right. I think there definitely was the rag coming here. You can see the line. Yeah. All right. I'll see how it goes. Right, the hoovering done. Just finished testing the stains. As you can see, it's going well. On the spots that have been tested for the reaction with the chemical, with the stain remover, it's going fine. Yeah. Just a nice reaction of all the stains. Even on this one, so those spots are going off well. So yeah. The difference between where was the rag on the carpet is going off. So basically on the right hand side is just a dirt, on the left was just cover it. So it's gonna go well. So yeah, all stain tested. I think from now on it's just straightforward with the pre-spraying. Right, still no ticket. Let's take a look how it went. Shoes obviously off. Still drying the carpet downstairs. That was the last time they've been done. Right, that's our juice stain, or no juice stain anymore, so it's done. As you can see, just tiny black pieces left. That's basically from the fireplace. It's damaged carpet. There's nothing to be done about that. All other stains, those dots, if you remember, huge stain in the middle, just gone. From the rack, if you're gonna take a look closely, you can still see the difference. There's absolutely nothing to be done about that. Just don't cover everything with the rug. But yeah, I think it's much better, isn't it? Let's go upstairs. Stairs there was a huge difference, especially in the corners, yeah, on the edges, so that's really good. Upstairs was a difference, but not such a big issue. As you can see, really nice. After cleaning, could notice that fiber is more damaged than I expect. Just more visible, but looks very good. Tiny room and the second bedroom, all nicely done. Alright, it's basically 12:30, actually 1:45 now, so it took it like over 3 hours. I think the job well done. Alright.